Are you struggling to get patients to say yes during your orthobiologic consults? You present all the data, you tell them all the things, and they still say no. I'm Dr. Ariana DeMers, the queen of business orthobiologics, and I am leading the way in orthopedic surgery innovation, shaping medical practices for success. Did you know that a confused mind says no? That is the default mode. And so in order for them to say yes, you have to bring clarity. You have to get rid of that confusion. If you lay out too many choices, too many options, too much science, too many facts, they're going to be confused as to what to say. If your patients are saying no to your orthobiologic treatments, that's a you problem. This is because you haven't presented your plan like a leader. If you present the plan, the roadmap for success for your patient, they can't help but say yes. If you start with, you're a great candidate, this is how we start, this is the expectations along the way, and here's where we end up. These clear steps remove fear, remove uncertainty. Uncertainty is what kills action. So if you want your patient to just say yes, please tell them what to do. Please give them the option to just say yes. Say, this is the thing that I recommend. Would you like to proceed? It's a yes or no question. And if you don't know how, or you're not sure on how to present that roadmap, or you don't have a roadmap for your patient, then let's get on a call and build your roadmap together. Click below to book a consultation.